Hello everyone and welcome to Vlogmas 2020. I am so excited to be participating in Vlogmas this year. This is my second year doing Vlogmas, and this year I've decided I'm going to do things a little bit differently. So for those of you that don't know, Vlogmas actually started back around 2011 by Ingrid Nielsen. You can check out some of her older videos if her channel is still up, but it is a great way to see all about how Vlogmas originally started. My favorite thing about Vlogmas is that there really are no rules. Last year I did a daily vlog, but I uploaded it once a week as part of Vlogmas. This year my plan is to upload a video every single day from now December 1st through December 25th. Of course, there will still be plan with me's, reviews, all types of planning content, along with daily vlogs, decorating, wrapping gifts, gift ideas, advent calendars, and everything in between throughout this Vlogmas season. And some days will just be simply a daily vlog. Some videos will be a little bit shorter and upload times will vary, so make sure that you are subscribed and make sure that you have your notifications turned on so that you know when my videos are uploaded. My approach this year will be just a little bit more casual, so I really didn't want to stick to a hard schedule and a bunch of things pre-filmed. Everything will kind of be filmed a day or two before. I'm probably shooting myself in the foot by doing that, but I really wanted to have an in-the-moment Vlogmas experience with you guys. And this year has been trying enough. And even though we can't be together, I thought that this is a really great way for me to upload more videos and spend a little bit more time with you guys on this platform. I am really looking forward to this experience of Vlogmas with you guys this year, and I hope you guys are too. And I am truly just excited to spend a little bit more of this holiday season with all of you. So with that being said, I will see you guys in tomorrow's next Vlogmas video. Bye everyone. Of course, there's always someone coming in the house when I'm filming. It's fine. I don't know what else I was gonna say.